In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu in WordPress on Bluehost step by step, even if you're brand new to the WordPress dashboard. This is one of the most important things you can do when setting up your website, because your menu helps visitors find your pages fast, improves navigation, and makes your site look much more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your WordPress admin area. If you're using Bluehost, you can usually get there from your Bluehost dashboard or by going directly to your WordPress login page. Once you're inside WP Admin, you'll see the WordPress dashboard where all your site settings live. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click Appearance. This is where WordPress keeps the design and layout options for your website. Next, click Editor. Depending on your theme, you may see the Site Editor option here, and that's exactly what you want for creating or editing your navigation menu. Once the editor opens, look for Navigation and click it. This is the area where you can manage the menu that appears across your website, usually at the top of the page. Now select your existing navigation or menu. If you already have one, WordPress will show it here and you can click into it to start editing. If you don't have one yet, this is where you would begin creating it. Once you've opened the menu you want to work on, you'll see options to modify it. To add a new item, click the plus icon. This button lets you insert new links into your menu. After clicking plus, you'll usually be given a few choices. Select Page if you want to add one of your website pages, or choose Custom Link if you want to send users to a specific URL. For most beginners, Page is the easiest option. If you choose Page, WordPress will show a list of pages on your site. From there, select the page you want to add, such as Home, About, Contact Services, Blog, or any other important page on your website. This is a great way to build a simple, useful navigation menu that helps visitors move around your site easily. If you choose Custom Link instead, you can paste in any URL you want and then give it a label. This is helpful if you want to link to an external page, a special landing page, or a custom destination that isn't already in your WordPress pages. Once your items are added, the next step is to arrange them. You can drag and drop the items into the order you want. This is important because menu order affects how visitors experience your website. Usually you'll want your most important pages near the front of the menu, so they're easy to find. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the menu includes the pages you want, make sure the labels look correct, and check that the structure feels clean and easy to navigate. A simple, organized menu is usually better than one that's overcrowded. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. This final step applies your changes and publishes the updated menu to your site. After saving, you can open your website in a new tab and check the front end to make sure the menu appears exactly the way you want it. And that's it! You've now learned how to create a menu in WordPress on Bluehost. It's a quick process, but it makes a huge difference in how your website looks and works. A well-built menu helps guide your visitors, improves usability, and gives your site a much more polished feel. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.